original Mad Cobra, and you're watching Caribbean TV. Keeping it real through the whole diaspora, all worldwide. Mad as usual. You don't know. The boat and no touch about when no boy take a pull. Love you!
Chicago Jerk Fest, it just ended. And what a note to end the fest on. I did it, Donia. Brother, what a energy.
Respect.
No, I can tell that you're feeling the Chicago fest.
Well, definitely, you see me. Whole heap of vibes out there, you see me. I would just come for the put on a good show. First time coming here, so you know, so you have to come leave a good mark. If you want to come back, you see me, I always think about the future, so we just know, so our first time, it's a big festival, you know, we follow it over the years and see the vibes are going. So we just come to put on a good show. High energy, of course, you know, because you know the people, them love the energy. If you jump, them jump. So that's that we come for do, and it paid off, it was great.
So did you do any cliche word research to see if the people in Chicago really know I do not like that, I do respond to you like this? Do you expect this kind of response?
Well, no. You see me, but last year when Dexter was here, you know, me that follow the whole thing. Like, while he was performing, me that say everything because close friend that say the whole team, I'm a team. So the whole show where my performance thing, I watched them and say, yo, Chicago live. You know, so we just kind of judging off what he did. And I say, you know, Chicago seemed like a live crowd, a live place and things. So we just come for us get a nice performance and just put in, you know, whole heap of energy and whole heap of effort. And so what, you know, that man, from early on in the performance, me see the vibe and I know say, yo, tonight not going to be special. So we just compose yourself and just deliver.
Yeah, and it was a really smooth sailing because I'm there watching the performance and there was no hitch, everything's almost like I can do this already.
Yeah, well, we rehearse like 3 times in the week, is me try to get it, you know, as right as possible because you know you can never get it perfect, but we try to get it as right as possible. You know, pick out the songs where we know say alright then, you know, them songs that make everybody please, you know, the elder people, the girls, the man, everything. We just try to put together the show nice, you know, and just make it flow. That's it.
So after a performance like this and a response like this from the crowd, how now do you move forward, especially for the Chicago people, the insurers will, you know, stay in touch with I do. What can we expect from you next?
Well, music again, you see me. You know, always I try, you know, add to the catalog. You see me, we've been here, you know, a time and we just try, you know, do what the greats did. Because as I hear me talk, I respect like Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Capleton, Sizzla, you know, Vibes Cartel, Movada, I respect everybody, you know, and Mad Cobra, you know, you see me, Barry Stillman, Bob Marley, all of the greats, and we just try to be consistent. You know, we not try to do too much, but we just try to be consistent and try to be relevant every year. So every year we try to like 2 to 3 solid hit songs. So right now, summertime, we will put the energy now. Try finding that summer song. We have something we're going to release. Maybe like the next 2 weeks, you know, via music video and thing. So we add to that. Keep in touch with Chicago, you know, through social media. Me control my social media. So if the fans say Ray, me answer and say yeah, you know, all of the videos that we get tagging it tonight, I'm going to respond to them and think. So we keep in touch with people and keep in touch with the fans and make them feel a part of my thing. And from there, build a relationship with them so they know say, yo, next time, I'm going to be the same vibe, same energy. And they say that.
All right, so for people now who want to follow you, where can we catch you over the summer?
Well, next up at Trinidad, is it me? Trinidad are going to be week after next, is it me? Week after next, then from there with the New Jersey, with the Atlanta, is it me? Couple stops well, we just name a couple off at the top of my head, is it me?
Just follow Idonia on social media. Get on the handle.
Idonia Fort Jenna, is it me? Instagram, Twitter, is it me? Snapchat, Idonia Jenna Life. I eat that. Everything about me the right this up. From me there this up, it's what we do.
Alright.
Everybody, move.